Fine. So Sn is equal to n by 2 times a plus an. Substitute the values. The value of n is equal to 49 minus x divided by 2 into a is equal to x plus 1 plus an is equal to 49. So now we can simplify this. 49 minus x times x plus 1 plus 49 is equal to 50 plus x. So I am writing this one as 50 plus x whole divided by 2. Now while multiplying both the terms, you just be very careful. 49 into 50. You don't have to multiply. Just write 49 into 50. Because there is no use of getting a huge number as a product. So 49 into 50 minus x into 50 is 50x. And x into 49 is plus 49x. Minus x into plus x is equal to minus x square whole divided by 2. Clear? That implies this is 49 into 50 is 49 into 50. Minus 50x plus 49x is equal to how much? Minus x square whole divided by 2. So this is Sn of second arithmetic progression. But according to the given problem, these two are equal. So you will have to equate both of them. While equating both of them, x square minus x divided by 2, which is equal to 49 into 50 minus x square whole divided by 2. Any cancellation here? We can cancel 2 and 2, right? And then write the remaining terms. X square minus x is equal to 49 into 50 minus x square. Any cancellation still? We can cancel minus x and minus x. Now transpose minus x square towards right hand side. Then it is going to be already 1x square is here and transposing minus x square, so plus x square equal to 49 times 50. X square plus x square equal to 2x square is equal to 49 times 50. Can we cancel 2 and 1 of the terms? So 2 ones and 2 25s are 50. So here it is 49 and 25 and it is x square. X square is square of a number and 49 should be a square of a number and 25 also square of a number. So you can even write this 49 as 7 square and 25 as 5 square. So totally it is equal to 7 5s are 35 square is equal to x square. When x square is equal to 35 square, the value of x is equal to how much? 35. So it means there is a house number 35 such that the sum of the house numbers preceding to the house number 35 is same as the sum of house numbers following it. So this is what the problem is. Right? Understood? Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next problem. Fifth problem. Yeah.
A small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps, each of which is 50 meter long and built of solid concrete.
Okay.
Each step has a rise of 1 by 4 meter and a tread of 1 by 2 meter. Calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the terrace.
Okay, how many of you understood the problem? Hope you understood the problem, right? So we frequently see our terrace, and if you once observe, the steps are like this. Okay, this is the first step and this is the second step. For example, these are the steps and this is the third step, this is the fourth step and so on. And here, this is what the length of the step and this is the width of the step, and moreover the rise is nothing but this is the rise of the step and this is the width of the step. In this, the length of the step is given how much? 50 meters.
50 meters.
Length is equal to 50 meters and moreover the width of the step is equal to how much? 1/4 meter or half meter? Half meter. And the rise is equal to 1/4 meter.
Yes.
So rise is equal to 1/4 meter means this is 1/4 meter. And if you observe, every single step is in the shape of a cuboid. Every single step is a cuboid. But here the thing is, if you find what is the volume, because volume of the concrete required to make these steps. So volume of the concrete required for the first step is nothing but volume of this first cuboid. But coming to the second step, if you once observe, the second step is like this. This is the second step. So if you observe, first step is this and this is the second step, but the whole height being this. Right? So when you observe this whole height, that whole height of the second step would be the raise of 1/4. So raise of 1/4 means for the first step height is equal to 1/4, and for the second step height is equal to 2/4. For the third step height is equal to 3/4. Like that, how many steps are there? 15 steps are there. So 15th step height is equal to 15 1/4. So here two things are remain same. Those two things are length of the step and width of the step. But the raise is changing by 1/4. So that let us consider the first step. For the first step, length is equal to 50 meters and breadth is equal to half meter and height is equal to 1/4 meter. So with the help of this length, why are we writing them as L1, B1, H1? Because they are the measurements belong to the first step. Right? So therefore, volume of the concrete required for making this first step is equal to L1, B1, H1. That is the formula for volume of cuboid, which is equal to 50 into 1/2 into 1/4 meter, and don't have to calculate that because that is not the final result. Okay. Similarly, what about the second step? So second step measurements are length is equal to 50 meters and breadth is equal to half meter again, but the raise is equal to 2 1/4 meters. Then volume of the second step is equal to again L2, B2, H2, which is equal to 50 into half into 2 1/4 meter cube. So here also meter cube. Like that, how many number of steps are there? We have totally 15 steps. So while finding the volume or measurements of 15th step, so 15th step measurements are L15, which is equal to still 50 meters, and B15 is equal to again half meter, but H15 is equal to, see if you once observe, that is 15 times 1/4, so which is equal to 15 into 1/4 meters. With the help of these measurements, we can find what is the volume of 15th step. So volume of 15th step is equal to L15 into B15 into H15, which is equal to 50 into half into 15 times 1/4 meter cube. Now if you find or if you add all these volumes, you will get what is the volume of the concrete required to build these stairs. So therefore, the total volume of the concrete required is equal to first volume means volume of the first step, volume of second step, volume of third step, and so on, volume of 15th step, which is equal to volume of the first step is what? 50 times 1/2 times 1/4, that is the volume of first step, and volume of second step is 50 into 1/2 into 1/, here it is 2 into 1/4, can I write it as 2/4, and volume of third step, fourth step, and so on, volume of 15th step is 50 into 1/2 into 15 divided by 2. Right? You will have to add all of them. And before you add all of them, see, if you want some terms are being common in every single term. 15/4. Thank you. So 50 is there in every single term, and half is there in every single term, and moreover 1/4 is also there in every single term. So that we can take 50 into half into 1/4 common, and the remaining term in this is 1, in this is 2, and so on. The last one is 50. And here you have to find what is the sum of first 15 terms. So sum of first 15 terms is what? 1/4 is already there. Sum of first 15 terms is n/2, means 15/2 into a plus an. So 1 plus 15, and the terms before that 50 into 1/2, which is equal to 50 into 1/2 into 1/4 into 15/2 times 1 plus 15 is equal to 16. If you once observe the denominators, 2 times 4 is equal to 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So 16 gets cancelled. 15 5s are 75. So 750 centimeter cube. So this is centimeter cube or meter cube? Meter cube. So that is the volume of concrete required to build these terrace. Right? Hope you understand. Thank you. Please note down. Session over.